and this is the fast release lanyard I was talking about. These are all slip knots. This is a doubled over 18-foot piece of cord from right here at this knot. So you can make them longer and triple them over or quadruple them. They end up getting a little cumbersome if you go more than 4 strands in the braiding process, but to simply do it, if this was my standing end, I'll put a loop here. This would loop around your belt, or a belt loop, to give you a pass through for the rest of the cord to be easily removable from wherever it's at on your belt. And then all I'm doing is tying slip knots in it. And if you keep the part in your left hand, if you're a right-handed person and pulling it through with your right hand stationary, it ends up making these pretty decent looking cords. To undo this, all I got to do is pull. So this would be the end I'd have hooked around my belt. I've got a carabiner on the other end. I didn't have a knife readily accessible for putting on the cord. To undo this, all I'm doing, pulling this last loop out. And now I have 18 feet of cord available. Hope you enjoy. Bye.